Alright, what's up guys? Today we're going to be working on the MR2. We're going to be replacing the passenger mirror, and we're also maybe going to be installing a wing. We don't have the side plates for it, so we're not sure if it'll look good or not. So if it looks good, then we'll keep it. Okay, so now that we've got the mirror mounted, we can now put the 3 screws in there so it is secure. And so it actually works as a mirror, like this one. Or maybe open the door. How about do it with the door open? Would that be easier for you? Does the speaker work? Do you know?
It goes on and off sometimes. When I play it too loud, I would blow out.
Little tweeter. I'll buy new speakers though. I just want to buy speakers.
Well done.
That's it.
Looking better already.
Dude,
One step
progress.
at a time.
The fucking
The threads in here got all messed up. And this top one. So I guess do the I don't think it'll screw into that one anymore. Mess the threads up.
Really?
So,
How bad?
like they're not there anymore. I think that little blue plastic thing was what.
Okay, let me try this one then.
Oh, fuck it.
Good thing it fell off here and not while you were driving.
Yeah. Oh, that's good. Is this shit going in? Look, it's not.
I don't know if those are on. You sure those are the right ones?
Yeah. They're the ones that are in here. Fuck. Fucking will the shit out of it.
Hey, mine wiggle more. Mine wiggle a lot more. And I've been off-roading and they held up. Cause that's just this part wiggling. That's not the actual.
Yeah, yeah, I know.
The only thing holding this together is itself.
Better than nothing.
Well, cause I could move it a little bit, right?
Move it to the right a little bit where it was actually. That's good. Okay. Yeah.
Much better. Looks like a car again.
Only I didn't fucking break my windshield, then it would look okay. It would look like it's drivable. But it's fucking not. Technically it
How
is.
do? Why just get hood pins, dude?
Huh?
Get hood pins.
Dude, that's it, dude. I'm partying now, dude. It's over. Party now. I'm done.
What's this, dude?
Oh, I took that bitch off.
What was it?
It was just a cap. I think it's on the other side. I think it holds all the wires.
Oh.
Like if you take that out, you can see all the connecting wires together. Kind of. No, not actually.
It looks like the AW11 wing, dude. Like with the sides like that, how it's square. It might look good.
Kinda.
Maybe, but the car's round.
Don't have the fucking size.
Oh, you're gonna put it way up there? Dude, you're gonna look like a stealth.
Well, I think you're supposed to put it way up here.
No, because look, it curves with it. So I think you put it more towards the back. I mean, we can put it wherever you want, but like put it back more.
Yeah, but it's like, okay, where it stops then, right? So, right here.
Yeah, like right there. I don't know, what do you guys think?
It's
Too
just gonna be
square?
right here.
It's hard to tell because we don't have the side pieces, because the side pieces may not go down far enough, or they may. We don't know. It doesn't look too bad, but it's too square because the car's not square. It's more round.
So is this not a fucking one for this? Because that's what I bought it for.
Well, no, it is because it's curved. It's not like, but I mean, because this is square, so it looks weird.
Well, yeah, it's gonna look weird because I don't have the size. But I mean, you want to?
If you want to do it, we can do it. It's up to you.
Yeah, I mean, it's honestly we could just start on it and we just put the size later.
Sounds good. So we could get it. We can just measure here, get the same on both sides, and then we should get it square.
Alright,
That should be good.
How do you start this?
Well, we have to mark it out, and then we have to drill holes. Or we have to drill 1, 2, 3, 4 holes in your trunk. And then we need nuts for this too.
You know what?
I don't know if I have those.
You know what? I think I'm just gonna wait for the sides. 'Cause that
Probably
would make it
should.
a lot better.
That will make it a lot better.
I'll wait for the sides.
Do you see how it looks on my 240? Yeah, why not? Yo.
Fuck.
Yeah, that's not happening.
Nope, it is not. It won't look that bad though. If it had the size, it won't look that bad. Kinda.
It will 100% look bad. No, I'd rather have the ducktail than that.
Nah, I'd rather have this. I'd rather have the Type X like wings.
Well, I mean, if we start getting into wings, I'd rather have a chassis mount. Alright, so we got the mirror on. Looks good, looks way better. It's quite the difference going from one mirror to two. Like look-wise, like it looks way better. And with the wing, we weren't feeling it. It didn't really look good because it's squared off, only because we don't have the side plates. Once he gets the side plates, then we'll put it on. We can get it looking better and we can get better fitment, and it'll be better. So stay tuned for that. He's hoping to get those soon. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a like if you did. Comment down below. What do you guys think of his MR2? What should the next mod be? And after you do that, hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.